So, how are you, Amanpreet?
I'm good, ma'am. I'm good. How about you?
I'm doing well. Thank you for asking. So, Amanpreet, where are you connecting from? Which city?
Ma'am, I'm from Amritsar, Punjab.
Okay. Yeah. So, are you currently also living there?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, I'm born and brought up in Amritsar, Punjab only.
Okay. So, let me begin by first telling you something about myself. So, as you know, my name is Arunima, and I work here as an English tutor. So, I live in Mangalore, that's in Karnataka, and yeah. So basically, I'm an English language expert, as in all of my education and certification has been in English language and literature. And it's been about 7 years working online. Prior to that, I was a teacher, as a lecturer in junior college. So that's a little bit about myself. Over here, my role is to help students with their English communication skills, and I completely love doing that.
Okay, ma'am. That's great.
Would you like to share something about yourself, Amanpreet, like your background, education, or anything about your work, or anything that you would like to share so that I can understand you a little better?
Okay, ma'am. Actually, I've completed my graduation in the year 2014, and I've done my graduation in commerce. After that, I started working in a corporate sector, but I thought it was not my cup of tea to work in the um, corporate sector because I had different interests like. I was really interested in communication. Like I really love to connect with people. I so with the passage of time, I got my interest in English, and then I started learning English by myself. I haven't joined any offline institutes for learning English. It was all by myself. Then I've also taken the IELTS test and I scored 7 in that test. I have practiced for approximately 1 month for the IELTS, and then I started teaching the IELTS students offline. That's pretty much about me, ma'am.
Okay, so right now you are teaching, right? You teach
Uh,
students for IELTS.
right now, I'm not teaching IELTS students. Right now I'm just teaching online. I'm not taking online classes, but I have shifted my focus to the YouTube, and it's been 7 to 8 months when I've been uploading videos on YouTube related to English or
Okay.
English conversations.
Okay. So, how did you get inspired to upload videos on YouTube?
Actually, the thing was, ma'am, offline teaching sometimes is burdensome. Like I felt that because every time you have to teach the same content every day,
Hmm.
and you also get bored of teaching the same kind of things, same kind of concepts to the students. If I talk about myself, I am a kind of creative person. I really love to change the things after some time.
Hmm.
And I really love to explore new things. Then I shifted my focus on online tutoring rather than taking offline classes now.
Right. Okay, so tell me something about Amritsar. Okay, it's okay. I visited Amritsar actually in 2024, 23. Yeah. So I went. Yeah, I wanted to go to Wagah border and I wanted to see Jallianwala Bagh. So I went to Amritsar and I was interested. Actually, honestly speaking, I was interested in buying full curry. So that was the real purpose. So I got almost to, those shops where they stitch it for you and they also reach it to you by evening. So in the morning you make your purchases and by 8 o'clock it's there. They would have stitched it and delivered also. So I got all that done. Okay, so I would like to ask you, what challenges did you face when you became a YouTuber? I mean, you started uploading videos because earlier, as you said, you were an offline teacher and you found that you're teaching the same thing. So you wanted to come here. As in, here you can be creative, right? But then every platform has its challenges, or there are difficulties, there are pain points in in every platform, right? So,
Yes.
what were the pain points here?
What I observed in YouTube content creation journey is that it requires consistency, and it requires a hell lot of efforts to show up every day. You need to create something every day. You need to show up every day, and the main problem that I faced here is that actually there were many problems. First I came across with the YouTube setup actually. YouTube setup, in the beginning I didn't have any particular setup that I could create videos for. I could create videos, and after 1 to 2 months I did all the setup and then started creating videos, and then uh, the second challenge came, and which was what kind of content people want to watch. Like if I am posting the content which I want, like which I think people want, if I post that kind of content, that may or may not work. And this is the biggest challenge I was facing in the past few months. And now, what I have observed is if we want to create a big impact on this platform, we have to post those kind of videos that people actually want. Like I have to create that kind of content that people really want these days. This so that I can be clear. I can be clear for my content creation that okay, this kind of content is really working for me or working for my audience as well. So yeah, these kind of challenges I've been facing for quite few months.
So, what skills did you use to find out the audience's choice? How did you solve this problem about knowing what they want to watch?
Um, I think by watching other content creators' videos or what is going on around you, what is quite popular on the social media. This is the best way I think we can come to know that okay, this content is really much popular these days. So
I got it. Yeah, so this whole business about uploading videos and getting yourself on YouTube is very foreign to me because, in spite of all my learners telling me that it's high time I did it, I've been very lazy. So I've been thinking about it for a long time, but never took the initiative. So that's why I was curious to know. So I asked you so many questions. All right. So while you were speaking, I wrote bits and pieces of the structures that you were using, the language that you were using, and I sort of did a diagnosis of your English communication skills. So the good side is that you comprehend very well. The language you are speaking is totally comprehensible. I mean, I did not have uh, even an iota's difficulty in understanding what you were saying. So you're totally logical. Your ideas connect. You're able to grab the demand of the question and answer relevantly, right? So all of those things are on point. And as I said, um, words like consistency, or you have to show up every day, or you can create an impact, right? So these are some good words or good structures, good collocations that you've used, right? Okay. I did not notice too many grammatical errors. Only a little bit of polish in tense. Like, I have practiced for 1 month for IELTS. So since it's not a recent thing, after that you were teaching. So you would not technically, ideally, you would not use I have practiced.